Now I'm going to discuss the answers for these questions one by one. You can check your answers by using a red pen. Let's see one by one. In the next week I will check your books, so correctly you have to mark your paper, right? First one, fill in the blanks. Cellulose is a type of carbohydrate. We know that cellulose is polysaccharide type carbohydrate. There are three types of carbohydrates as monosaccharides, disaccharides and polysaccharides. Here the cellulose is a type of polysaccharide type of carbohydrate. The second one is the sweetest monosaccharide. We have learned that fructose is the sweetest. Kanirasa vadima. Sweetest monosaccharide, fructose. Third one, milk contains lactose carbohydrate. That means disaccharide type. Here you have to write as the answer lactose, right? Not disaccharide, because disaccharides also there are three types now. Then here we expect the answer milk contains lactose carbohydrate. Cereal contains maltose carbohydrate. Maltose carbohydrate. Most abundant carbohydrate in the world is most abundant. වැඩියෙන්ම තියෙන carbohydrate in the world is cellulose. I told you this. Cellulose, right? Let's see the next one. Write short answers. The first one, who introduced DNA molecule? Watson and Crick. Watson and Crick. Second one, what is the function of RNA molecule ribonucleic acid? The function is synthesis of protein. Synthesis of protein. Right? The third one, what is the color change of biuret test? Color change of biuret test. We know that biuret solution is sodium hydroxide plus copper sulfate. Initially the biuret solution is blue color. With protein, biuret solution turns to purple color. Blue to purple. Blue to purple. You can't write only purple. Color change. Here you have to write the complete answer. Color change. When you are writing the color change, it turns from blue to purple. Right? Fourth one, to identify which nutrient biuret test is done. Protein. Protein. Which is identified in Sudan 3 test. Sudan 3 test is used to identify lipids. Lipids. Sixth one, what is the basic unit of protein molecule? Protein molecule basic unit, initial unit, amino acid. Amino acid. 7. Name 2 disaccharides. Name 2 disaccharides. You can write, we have learned 3 disaccharides. Sucrose, lactose, galactose. Sucrose, lactose and maltose, right? Sucrose, lactose and maltose. 3. From these 3 you can write 2. Which carbohydrate present in sugar? Sugar contains sucrose. Sucrose. Carbon is a micro or macro? Macro element. Mostly used element. Macro element. 20 amino acids are combined to each to form a protein molecule. How many water molecules are released? When combining 20 amino acids, 19 water molecules are released. I told you this. Here 10 questions, 10 marks, 1 for each. Next one. Deficiency of the disease, vitamin A, bitter patches of eye. Vitamin A, bitter patches of eye. Vitamin B, beriberi aavu. Vitamin C, scurvy disease. Scurvy disease. Vitamin D, rickettsia. Rickettsia. Vitamin E, premature birth. Premature birth. 5 vitamins, 5 marks. Right? State the disease due to the deficiency of following minerals. Calcium. Calcium deficiency disease is osteoporosis. Osteoporosis. Sodium deficiency, cramps may occur. Cramps. Iron deficiency, anemia. Anemia. Iodine deficiency, goiter. Goiter. Phosphorus also for osteoporosis. Osteoporosis. 5 diseases, 5 marks. Right? Here write formula. Monosaccharide, disaccharides and polysaccharides. I have given you 3 formula here. CnH2n. Likewise, you can write all these formulas by using your book. According to my mind, I am not sure that am I given to you these 3 formulas to your textbook, so you can write it by using your textbook. So I am not allocating marks for this. Then the next one, match followings. Lipid can match with human skin because human skin has a lipid layer. Human skin. DNA with thiamine. It contains nucleic acid thiamine. Glycogen deposits in liver. Deposits in liver. RNA, uracil. Uracil. Yeah, RNA should be all 3 letters should be capital. Protein, keratin hair contains. The protein which contain in human hair is keratin. So the keratin is a one type of protein. It contains in hair, right? Here 2 marks for each, 10 marks. Total 10 marks, 2 for each. Right, next one. Explain why medical advice or recommendation is not needed for vitamin B and C. Because vitamin B and C both are dissolved in water. Vitamin B and C both are dissolved in water. So if we take more vitamin B and vitamin C, it dissolve with our urine and it will pass out. So no issues for the person. It is dissolved in water and pass out with urine. Banana coverings and onion coverings are suitable for plant growth. We know that NPK fertilizers, nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium are more suitable for the plant growth. The onion coverings and banana coverings, they contain nitrogen and potassium. Nitrogen and potassium specially, so they are more useful for the growth of plant. Then DNA testings are used to identify true through criminal investigations when on here. DNA testings are used to identify through in criminal investigations. DNA testings are used because it helps to identify genetic genetically matched persons. It is used to identify genetically matched persons. So it is used to identify genetically matched persons. That's the reason. Then sucrose does not answer for Benedict test. Sucrose is one type of disaccharide. It is not suitable for it is not color change with Benedict, because Benedict show the color change with monosaccharides, not with disaccharides. That's the reason. Benedict answer for monosaccharides, but sucrose is a disaccharide. Number 5. Sprats and milk are recommended for persons who are suffering from osteoporosis. Earlier also we have discussed osteoporosis is a disease of deficiency of calcium, phosphorus and potassium. So the sprats and milk also contain phosphorus and potassium. So it is recommended for the persons who having osteoporosis. There are now 5 questions, 10 marks, 2 for each. Out of 50 you can calculate your marks. Then in the next week I will check your books. Thank you.